Hi guys, welcome to Turkish Center channel. In this channel with my friend Muhammad, we'll teach you the Turkish language completely. We will share 2 long videos on Saturday and Tuesday and short videos on all days of the week. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Let's go! Lesson 11. What's your daily routine? Learn how to talk about how often you do something. Dialogue.
Her gün ne yaparsınız?
What do you do every day?
Sabah hep dişlerimi fırçalarım.
In the morning, I always brush my teeth.
Güzel.
Good.
Akşam da dişlerimi fırçalarım.
In the evening, I brush my teeth.
Ve öğleden sonra bilgisayar oyunu oynarsın.
And in the afternoon, do you play video games?
Hayır, öğleden sonra genellikle ödevimi yaparım.
No, I usually do my homework in the afternoon. Lesson Vocabulary.
Bilgisayar oyunu. Bilgisayar oyunu.
Computer game.
Diş. Diş.
Tooth.
Öğleden sonra. Öğleden sonra. Fırçalamak. Fırçalamak.
To brush.
Ödev. Ödev.
Homework.
Her gün. Her gün.
Every day.
Genellikle. Genellikle.
Generally.
Sabah. Sabah.
Morning.
Hep. Hep.
Always. Guys, lesson is over. Now, let's practice in the comments.